In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download and install the TradingView application on your Windows computer. This process is quite straightforward, and by the end of it, you'll have access to all the fantastic features TradingView offers right from your desktop. So, let's dive right in. First, you'll want to open up your web browser. You can choose any browser you prefer, such as Chrome, Edge, or Brave. It doesn't matter which one you use, as long as it gets you onto the internet. Once your browser is open and ready, you'll need to navigate to the TradingView desktop page. This is where you'll find the application available for download. Simply type tradingview.com/desktop into the address bar at the top of your browser window, and then press enter. This action will take you directly to the page where you'll find the download options for this powerful application. Now that you're on the correct page, look for the Windows Application Download link. You should see a clear option to download the installer file appropriate for Windows. Go ahead and click on that download link. This will start the download of the installer file, which is necessary for setting up TradingView on your computer. Once the download is complete, you need to locate the installer file, likely named something like tradingview.msx, in your downloads folder. Depending on your browser settings, it may also appear at the bottom of the browser window or in the downloads section of your browser's menu. When you find it, double-click on the file to initiate the installation process. With the installer now running, you will need to follow the on-screen instructions to complete the installation. The process should be straightforward, but you might be required to grant access or confirm that you want to install the application, especially if your security settings are set to high. Be sure to follow all prompts carefully, and soon TradingView will be installed and ready to use. Finally, once the installation is complete, you'll want to launch TradingView to start exploring its features. You can find the TradingView app in your Start menu or simply search for it using the search bar located at the bottom of your screen near the Start button. Once found, click on the app to launch it. And there you have it. You've successfully downloaded and installed the TradingView application on your Windows computer. Now you can take full advantage of its functionality to enhance your trading activities. Enjoy navigating through the charts, setting up alerts, and customizing your trading experience to fit your personal needs. Happy trading!